In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily backup iPhone photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then tap at the very top right here at your name. After that, tap at iCloud and then Photos. You will be taken to this page, and all you have to do now in order to backup your iPhone photos is just turn on that option which is called Sync this iPhone. Once you turn on this option, it will start syncing your iPhone photos with iCloud. You only need to select one of these settings: optimize iPhone storage, which is selected by default, or download and keep originals. If you select optimize iPhone storage, it can help you to save space on your phone by replacing the photos on your device with smaller resolution photos. I recommend you to keep this option selected. And also, if you don't have enough space on your iCloud, you can also increase account storage. Just tap at manage accounts storage, and then you will be able to purchase some more space. Just hit add change storage plan and then just upgrade your plan. Just select one and hit add buy. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.